So we're going to try a new Chaffle recipe today to see how it tastes. This has diced ham, mozzarella cheese, egg, fresh spinach chopped, and some pure isolate GNC protein powder to add some protein and some flavor to it. Gives us a total of under 300 calories, well under 300 calories for total calories, but we have over 30, about 35 grams of protein. As usual, I start with the egg beaten, and then we'll add in the ingredients one at a time. So there is the egg with the ham. Then we add the spinach. Then the cheese is all in place. We have to make sure we add a little bit of everything bagel spice, so that's in there. Oops, get out of the camera there. So that's mixed up. And finally, we'll sprinkle in the protein powder and mix that all up. Okay, we've got that mixed up. I was actually worried a bit that the protein powder might make it a little too dry, but it seems to be good consistency. So we're going to try it in the waffle maker and see what happens. So here we are at the waffle maker. It's ready to fill up. So there it is, and we're going to spoon in our chaffle mix and spread it around like we usually do. So there it is, all spooned in and spread around. And we'll put the lid down and wait. So you can see there that the waffle maker is steaming away. We're waiting for it to finish. I think I forgot to mention that I used vanilla protein powder. I thought that would give it a little better flavor. I guess you could add chocolate if you wanted and have a chocolate chaffle, but we'll see how it comes out. There we go. There's the green light saying it's ready. Let's open it up and see what she looks like. Oh my, that looks wonderful. We'll have to see how this comes out, and I will report in a minute. Okay, so here I am at the table about to do the taste test. Have not put anything on it. It's just plain. It's very fluffy, more like a real waffle, almost like it has batter with flour, but there's obviously no flour in it. So let me taste this and I'll see what it feels like, tastes like. Oh my, that's delicious. Clearly the vanilla taste and the powder makes this just like a regular waffle. That is incredible. So, there you have it. Ham, mozzarella cheese, one egg, a little spinach for some texture and flavor, and half a scoop of GNC pure isolate vanilla custard protein powder. Delicious.